Tired of having to stop and pick up a dictionary every time you come across a new word? Well, there is a pain-free way to look up words if you're learning with our learning system. It's called the Audio Dictionary. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. What is the Audio Dictionary? The Audio Dictionary is our free on-site dictionary with audio pronunciation, and you'll find it in the vocabulary drop-down menu or by hovering over the search icon in the top right corner of the site. Just type or paste in any word you want to look up. The dictionary gives you the meaning, transliteration, and audio pronunciation. Best of all, it's available to all users, so if you're a member, you already have access. How to look up words without sidelining your learning. Now, let's talk about how to look up words without sidelining your learning. I don't know about you, but when I'm learning, stopping everything to grab a dictionary every single time I find a new word can get frustrating, especially if there are a lot of new words. That's where the Audio Dictionary comes in. So how does it work? Well, if you're taking a lesson on the site, you can just hover over the search icon, type or paste in the word, and get the meaning without having to stop or leave the lesson. How to save and master words for good. We know it's easy to forget the new words you learn, and that's why the Audio Dictionary connects with your word bank, so you can send words from the dictionary to the word bank. Think of the word bank as your extended brain. It's where you can save keywords and phrases for later. And how it works is, while you're reviewing words, just select the ones you want to save and click Add Selected Words to Word Bank at the bottom. And it's not just for storage. You can use the Word Bank to review your words with a slideshow or even create printable vocabulary lists, which is pretty cool. Just export your words as a PDF or click on the printer-friendly option and print. So if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account.
How are your Hindi listening skills? First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
एक आदमी हॉस्पिटल कॉल कर रहा है। स्वास्थ्य जांच हॉस्पिटल में कब उपलब्ध होंगी?
हेलो, क्या मैं स्वास्थ्य जांच के लिए बुकिंग कर सकता हूँ?
ज़रूर। स्वास्थ्य जांच सामान्य परीक्षाओं से अलग सिर्फ सोमवार, बुधवार और शनिवार को उपलब्ध है। आप कौन सा दिन पसंद करेंगे?
क्या इस शनिवार को उपलब्ध है?
जी हाँ, हम शनिवार को सुबह में ही खुले रहते हैं। क्या वह ठीक है?
सिर्फ सुबह? वह थोड़ा मुश्किल है। आप सप्ताह के बाकी दिनों में कब तक खुले रहते हैं?
हम सोमवार को शाम के 6 बजे तक और बुधवार को 8 बजे तक खुले रहते हैं।
अच्छा, आप सुबह कितने बजे खोलते हैं?
हम सुबह 8 बजे से खोलते हैं। अगले सप्ताह के सुबह पूरी तरह से आरक्षित हैं, लेकिन अगर आप उसके बाद के हफ्ते तक इंतज़ार कर लें, तो सोमवार और बुधवार दोनों सुबह के 8 बजे से खुले होंगे।
ठीक है, मैं अपना कार्यक्रम जांच करके आपको दोबारा कॉल करता हूँ।
ठीक है सर। स्वास्थ्य जांच हॉस्पिटल में कब उपलब्ध होंगी? एक आदमी हॉस्पिटल कॉल कर रहा है। स्वास्थ्य जांच हॉस्पिटल में कब उपलब्ध होंगी?
हेलो, क्या मैं स्वास्थ्य जांच के लिए बुकिंग कर सकता हूँ?
ज़रूर। स्वास्थ्य जांच सामान्य परीक्षाओं से अलग सिर्फ सोमवार, बुधवार और शनिवार को उपलब्ध है। आप कौन सा दिन पसंद करेंगे?
क्या इस शनिवार को उपलब्ध है?
जी हाँ, हम शनिवार को सुबह में ही खुले रहते हैं। क्या वह ठीक है?
सिर्फ सुबह? वह थोड़ा मुश्किल है। आप सप्ताह के बाकी दिनों में कब तक खुले रहते हैं?
हम सोमवार को शाम के 6 बजे तक और बुधवार को 8 बजे तक खुले रहते हैं।
अच्छा, आप सुबह कितने बजे खोलते हैं?
हम सुबह 8 बजे से खोलते हैं। अगले सप्ताह के सुबह पूरी तरह से आरक्षित हैं, लेकिन अगर आप उसके बाद के हफ्ते तक इंतज़ार कर लें, तो सोमवार और बुधवार दोनों सुबह के 8 बजे से खुले होंगे।
ठीक है, मैं अपना कार्यक्रम जांच करके आपको दोबारा कॉल करता हूँ।
ठीक है सर।
Did you get it right? I hope you learned something from this quiz. Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time.
Access your free language gifts right now, before they expire. First up, 30 antonyms you must know. Want to double your vocabulary? Learn how to say young and old, hot and cold, and much more. You'll pick up over 30 words with this vocab bonus. Second, Travel Like a Boss PDF cheat sheet. If you're learning the language but don't know these basic travel phrases inside, what have you been doing? Download this bonus cheat sheet right now to fix that. Third, 20 small talk phrases that make you sound fluent. Chatting with native speakers would be easy if you bothered to learn these useful phrases. So access this 1-minute small talk phrases lesson now. Fourth, 10 phrases to amaze native speakers. This lesson teaches you even more phrases that make you sound fluent and will impress native speakers. What are they? You'll find out inside. And last but not least, tired of apps that only teach you random words? Want an app that teaches you the language through everyday conversations? With innovative language learning, you're exposed to real conversations between real native speakers. And then get everything slowed down and explained so you can learn the language fast. Download it for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free gifts of the month, click the link in the description below. And download them now, before they expire. Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.